Welcome to another episode and video on my Arduino Mega2560, connected through SPI to Arduino Uno, all programmed in C, connected to fischertechnik mechatronics, and well, also to fischertechnik motors with propellers. By circumstance, I had to replace one motor on the right side, and now they are a little bit different. So this motor is the same as that one, and these motors are the same now. So now the big question is, why do these motors work and this one doesn't? Or doesn't that one? Then if time allows, then I will get back to SPI, because it has now shown that SPI actually does work, but in the screen output it's still a little bit weird. So I want to tackle that problem. Back to this motor. This motor was attached to this RL, well, triple L, where the L stands for an inductor. This is an inductor, that one is, and here is one as well. And I already had changed it by replacing one of the wires from this transistor to right here, and now it is located not just here but straight to the port on the Arduino Mega2560. Still, it doesn't work. So I can do a lot, but it simply won't work. So that is one thing that I want to tackle. Why? Now, one thing is that this motor is regulated by potmeter, so I need to check values, which I did last time as well, but still it's questionable. So while everything works and is connected to oscilloscope showing SPI, my first attention is this motor, and I hope to solve it so it will work. Anyway, time for some coding and see whatever it gives. So, in comparing, or while comparing these two motors, I have to look at how they are connected. In comes the overview, and that is not the right page. This one is. So, I have a motor with chain, which is connected to port 6, and another one, which is another propeller, connected to port 2. And now they are connected completely straight at the port, not via electronics anymore. So, how are they actually programmed? Well, P6 is being programmed right here using output value 1, so that is working. The other one, which is now rerouted right here, is not working at all. So I need to, and I already changed this one to 4 instead of 1, so I need to compare output value 4 and 6. These lines. So let's go here and pause them at the moment that I can see whichever value they have. Out in 6 is 250 and 4 625. Okay, that is a very big change. So it has shown that a very high value is not necessarily working correctly. Having said that, I remember that a higher value might make some equipment not to work. So if one is working, why don't I use one? So I am now changing this actually back to 1 or whatever it was. This was also 1. So output value 1 it is. And now they should, I should actually say not output value 1 but output motor and analog out pin 2. I think that is a better thing to do. That file descriptor, it fails. Okay. Let me use this problem right here. And add propeller for now. Why is this not working? Oh, right, it can't work because of one thing. This screen output is blocking the upload. So I am checking the process this, and I need to kill process 74 and 5875. Now I can upload. Done uploading. Start. So now I have to look for propeller and motor. Oh, that is suddenly a very big difference. No, oh wait, I'm making a mistake, this has to be output value 1, not 2. Alright, once again, and okay. Because 2 is indeed the value of analog out pin 2. Done uploading. Go. Alright. Still 2. Why? That's not what I expect. Output value 1. And output value 1 is, I don't think that is 2. Alright, upload again. Is this correct? Yes, it is correct. So, one more upload. That file script one. Yeah. But once again, I have to kill the process. And in this case, I have to ignore this one, but I have to do it with these two. This one, yeah. So kill to. This is the disadvantage of using a screen instead of serial terminal, serial monitor. But so be it. I have to use 6257 and 6258 versus process. Oh, definitely 61. Yeah. Now I can upload. Done. Now I should get a normal value out of output value 1. Question is, will I? Oh yes, and look. As expected, the same value. They are the same motors. Is this entirely correct? This is what I expect. Oh yeah, yeah. 2 and 7 and 6. 251. So the pulse modulated value, the mapped value for pulse modulation is exactly the same. Yet this one runs and this one doesn't. Why? I have to look into the properties of the board to see that both boards have exactly the same output. I suspect they have, but I have to be sure. The value of the pulse modulation is dependent on the number of bits that the Arduino provides, and it turns out it is 8 bits. 2 to the power 8 is 256. 256. And looking at the value of the output, you can see that it's 251. So despite that it is not 256, it comes there somewhere in between. It is very clear that it is the right value, although it is quite typical that it isn't a simple power value. That I mean 2 to the power 8 is 56, which is maximum. Then 2 to the power 7 is then of course 125. Am I correct? No, 128. Almost correct. But what happens if I no longer map this sensor value? So I'm going to try to put here not output value but sensor value. Copy, paste, and sensor value, and then see whatever happens. Sensor value. Oh, I already used sensor value in this one. Voltmeter value is sensor value, so I don't need to do that. I only have to do it here, so this line can disappear. This line can't, but I have to comment out this one. So now it will be driven by sensor value. What is sensor value anyway? Sensor value is voltmeter value is way too high. That is the point. I cannot use voltmeter sensor value in its own. It's 5 times too high, or a lot of times anyway. This is almost 2 to the power 10, and yeah, that won't work ever. So, despite a nice idea to try, it won't work at all. Will output value 2 work with half? What does this one do? I can just try them, although 4 didn't work either. And this one is the same, so I'll make this one 3 times, otherwise 1 and 5 are the same. And now I'm going to check this 1 to 5 and this 1 to 5. And now I'm curious what will happen. I have to test something. And of course I have to kill the process again before uploading. (6267) and 6268. Gone. And before starting it again, upload. Done uploading, very quick. Start. And then it's curious to see if this will work. Alright. Output 2, 750. So that's very simple, no way. Let me check anyway. No, there's no movement in it. So, am I using output value 3 anywhere? I use it here, but then again, am I using it in reality? Except from here, I'm using it nowhere. Everything is output value 1. So that is a very clear thing. And I still have no idea why that motor won't work, and I will have to test it using the power controller that I showed earlier. So first filling. And change this back to 1, and this goes back to 1, and go. And see whatever will happen with the motors, because that is still a big mystery. So let's check something out. Now I can do two very simple things. I have tested the spare motors that I have and they just work, including this one. So what I'm going to do is the old trick of swapping wires. First of all, taking this one out and putting it in here. As you can see, it doesn't work. Putting this one right here, and yes, it works. So I expect that this one, very carefully, is going to work. Yes. So this confirms my idea that I have to check on that connection, and this one should be right here. Alright, so this one is connected through this wire to actually right here, pin 2, and that one I have to check. Which brings me to the next thing, SPI, because I still have to ponder about why this one isn't working. Using this motor it is, using this motor it's not. Alright. SPI it is for now. So, time to give this a start. And a strange thing is, let me grab this one. Right. It does work. If I go to this one, I have taken the first string out, as you can see right here. Then things do work, not all the time. And that's something that I don't like either. And I'm still looking for that strange phenomenon which occurs once in a while when this is the phenomenon I was looking for. This one. It happens once, So let's see where it happens. Well, it happens when the string is being printed. The buffer is being printed. Right here. Then why does it, and that is only once. So why does this happen? Very, very, very strange. Apart from that, this string is correct. This one is correct. Look at here. Test. New line, 0, new line. This is correct. This one is correct as well, and then this one not. The N is missing, and the capital I is missing. This is correct, this is correct. So, let me go one further, one back I mean. And here the P is missing and the 0 is missing. So, oh, here by the way the N and fully SPI and 0 are missing. So why is it printed once but occurs 3 times? No, more than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, more. And it appears when this switch is being clicked. So not entirely logical. But what to do about it? That's a very good question. And it's given 48. And every now and then 61. So what happens when I cancel this and activate the serial terminal? That's a very nice idea. Let's check that for a moment. So I have to select this one again. 706 and 7707. Check. Cancelled. Then serial monitor. What's going to happen? 48. Look at this, 255. This is the correct maximum value. So that in, so why does this one, if I go back, 240, 254, and yeah, it's 254 now. Anyway, okay, let's start again. Oh, it's nice to see it in another way as well. Does the SPI start whenever I press that one? Okay, I have to get this rolling. So, yep, that went. Anyway, various things left to do, but I'm getting out of time right now, unfortunately. Alright, last part of this video. Sorry for shaking the camera. So it turns out that this motor does work right here, and this motor stops working right here. So something in the circuit, either there, here or there, is something wrong. What? I don't know yet. but I'll have to find out. Then SPI is still well, a big question. Upon touching this right now, SPI should be triggered. Then why is the string which is being transferred successfully not printed correctly and so many times? So that is for next time. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video thumbs up, and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Twitter. If so, retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. Please donate to keep videos coming to you. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. More information on my website. And this is going to be continued. So, once again, thank you for watching.